Ready. So high ready when you're ready to start. This is the orange coated steel.
Like a contrast.
Are you ready? Stand by. If the shooter's finished, safety on, reload. Time is 3:82. Okay, so normal ready, facing the doorway for a start. This is the 7 lime coated steel and 1 paper. Are you ready? Stand by. If the shooter's finished, safety on, and move over to the next box. Time is 14:28. And 1C. Okay, into the box, and when you're in the box, reload.
When I reload?
Reload. Okay, over to the front right corner, and then safety off and low ready. Are you ready? Stand by. If the shooter is finished, unload and show clear. Gun is clear, safety on, muzzle straight up. Range is clear, safe to go forward, reset. Time is 4.63.